Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you guys doing very good. I see there is one comment. The guy he said I don't understand his language. Please translate for me. So today I am making this video only for him. I decide to make this video in English language. Friends, the Immune Booster Plus have 25% extra Panics ginseng. Also have Maca Roots, also horny goat weed. The horny goat weed, it's increasing your sex. It's very good for the sex. In China and US, they treat for the horny goat weed very long time. And also Immune Booster Plus have Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is good for the early discharge and good for the timing. Also have Tribulus and Tongkat Ali. Tribulus and Tongkat Ali, it's good for your semen. Include vitamin A to vitamin Z, all the vitamins inside the immune booster. Friends, these all things repair and maintain your penile health. Immune Booster Plus, it's good for shrinkage of penis, early discharge, sexual disorder, penis size shrinking, erectile dysfunction, damage due to excessive masturbation, increased semen thickness, sperm counting and healthy sperms. Immune Booster Plus made in USA, it's good for premature ejaculation, satisfy women in bed, fix sexual performance, anxiety, sex failure, sudden loss of erectile during sex. Immune Booster Plus, it's available on Amazon.com right now. It's available in USA Amazon Marketplace. It's available for now in USA only. Any state you can order now. I will give you one number, you can order right now. The company, they produce this product, they said soon they try to deliver all over the world. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you so much.